Soil conditions aren't always perfect, especially when it supports the weight of your home. The condition of the soil directly attributes to the settling of your home. Stay tuned to hear how helical piers work to fix foundation settling. Hi, I'm Nolan Berry, the Director of Sales Development at AccuLevel. Helical piers provide unmatched stability and versatility. In this video, I'll explain what a helical pier is, how they work, and how long they last. If you're a homeowner and you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, ring that bell for more content about home foundation repair and waterproofing. Let's get started. A helical pier is a giant steel screw that screws down into the soil to load-bearing soil. So this goes past any compromised soil, whether it's due to really dry conditions or really wet conditions, and gets to a load-bearing soil. Then an L-shaped bracket that kind of looks like a chair goes up under your foundation to be sure to hold it forever. A helical pier is a lot like a screw going into wood, where you screw it until it gets tight. Helical piers doing the same thing, just on a larger scale into soil. Then once that's been done, the bracket goes on to make sure that your foundation is now sitting on those helical piers almost like it was on stilts, instead of the soil that's been compromised. Here at AccuLevel, we give life of the structure warranty for our helical piers. So that's where we're saying as long as your structure is standing, we guarantee our piers to never settle. Obviously, this is outside of any kind of natural disaster, but it's about as long-lasting a warranty as you can find. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, AccuLevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about helical piers for your home? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.